What's up, guys? It's Weston Jr. It's the Weston Side Jr. version. And today, I have my good friend, Mason.
Good friends. I'm the one who made the show.
I'm the one who made this channel.
What do you mean channel?
Okay. Today, we are obviously opening up these broken handcuffs. They are metal. Yep. Pull them. There is no secret to opening them, as you can see. Like, they're usually the ones that are, like, fake. And that you have a switch right here. You can, like, and just pop open. But these ones, you actually need a key for it. But, obviously, we don't have that. Well, we do. We are going to open these up with tool number 1, an axe.
Tool number 2.
Wait. We can't use a screwdriver on this one, so we will cut part of this out, because as you can see, there is no screws on handcuffs. Why would there be? Tool number 1, hatchet. Old trusty hatchet. This might get us through. Tool number 2, the crowbar. Crowbar. Hi, making a video right now. Opening handcuffs.
Oh.
Crowbar. Tool number 3.
No, I don't know why we
Squishy
have that here.
thingy, yeah. No. Okay, just 2 tool. Oh, dog invasion. Okay, here we go. Watch out, back up. Oh, leave us alone.
That's it.
What do you need?
I'm just gonna watch.
Oh, okay. You need to hit it harder.
Okay, back up then.
Oh. Jesus, did I make a dent?
Not even.
Oh, there's one.
Here.
We need like a... We might need this crowbar.
Nope.
Oh, yes, we broken. We got that part off.
Broken.
Ha! Take that. Look. This part came off. Whoa, Jesus, you're hitting me. You gotta hit it damn harder. Harder!
It looks like fake handcuffs when you hit it.
Yeah, it does.
I already got it. Ah! No, I'm kidding.
Whoa, whoa.
Wait.
Oh wait. God damn. Jesus Christ. I can't go back. Oh man, these ones are broken. Look at that.
I got this.
Look. It's all bent. You see that right there? Yeah.
Because of me.
Okay, here we go. God. Oh my. Oh. There we go.
Oh, damn.
Ooh, you broke it in half. Ooh, good. Don't show me. I think that one's better. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Bro, you better watch. Don't do that.
Take that.
Let me see if I can put it back together.
What do you mean?
Oh, I think it's like you can put it back together.
Well, that's good. Wow, look at that.
Let me see that.
Broken.
I'm putting it back together. Oh, never mind.
He putting it back together with that hatchet. Right there.
Here. Open. Here. Oh,
Whoa, there it went.
here's all those 3.
Oh, that's cool.
Look it.
Check this out. Don't smash that. So, stop! I can see you. Right there. So, look at this. So, Jesus Christ, you hit my foot. Well, almost. So, look. We didn't have to use the crowbar. So, right here is where this would be hanging right there, right? And then you would flip it, and then you would lock it in place. So, you would put it in through there. Hold up. You would put it in right there, and you can't see this kind of on the camera, but right there is what would keep. Stop hitting anything.
Ow, stop.
What do you mean you're fixing it? So
I'm fixing it.
right there would make it stop because it's the complete opposite of which way these ones are going. So you only have to slide that in. You can't pull these back any direction.
I know what time it is.
The key would go in right here.
Don't
Hold up, where's this one?
The toes like man.
Oh. So the key would go in right here. You would twist this, which would take this down, this part right here, which would pull that down, which would allow you to take the handcuffs off of your prisoner.
The heck?
Oh crap, you stay here.
So guys, well here are the handcuffs. Here's what the and we're back. Okay, so here's the damage I did. I opened it up, and this
First, but I opened this one up second. I explained it all.
Ow.
Because he doesn't know a damn thing. Not even in math.
Here, I got an A in math. Look it. So I opened it up.
Ow, ow, ow. Oh yeah, I forgot that. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that. Look.
Memories of me.
What souvenir do you want to keep?
I want to keep where's it right here.
That? Like, you don't want to keep like the actual insides of it?
I have my own hair at house and
Wait, how'd you get those back on?
there's a hole.
Oh,
Memories of me. Oh, wow, that's so cool.
I wish we could do that with like.
Memories of
How'd you
me.
take that part out?
I have no idea. I just started hitting it. That's all I know.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
And hit
Grab.
the bell button.
You mean the notifications?
Bell. Hit the
That
bell. Hit the bell. Hit the
The
like.
like button.
10 likes.
10 likes.
10 likes.
You mean 100,000?
No, 10 likes for this video.
You think 10 people even watch this?
Well, 47 watched the other one, the one gone wrong.
Oh,
We should open that one next.
There's not. It's hollow. You can hear.
I know, but I don't. Okay, whatever. Stupid versions are coming out.
Ow! Oh, I really hurt myself.
Shut up. Stupid versions are coming out. Maybe today. There will be 3 versions of stupid version. Don't point that gun at me or you will lose it and I will chop it up for our video. So stupid version. 3 videos on that. 1, 2, and 3 videos. 3. I know how to count. Okay. Thanks for subscribing. Get out. Thanks for subscribing. Subscribe. 10 likes. And adios, amigos.